Thursday. Your assignment presentation still on Thursday. Okay, you can having your dinner in front of your PC lah. Okay, so feel free to on your mic or you can type at the chat here if anything you want to ask, okay, or respond to your miss. Okay, wait first. This one close. Okay, can launch your NetBeans first, NetBeans. Okay, where is it? Classroom. Okay, your miss don't have mouse, so my laptop is still under repair. I'm using my daughter laptop, and I don't have mouse. I use the laptop pad. Hey, where's the classroom? Gone. Okay, go to Google Classroom first. 20. Okay, we are in practical 6A, right? Finish, guys. Have to tell me your progress. Where are we? We done the main test program done, client program done, or just done the 3 classes? Tell me your progress. Then your miss only can start. Where are we? Anyone? In Java got the clear screen function, or we just call the field next line? Just call the field next line. Hey guys, practical 6A, the 3 classes done. Have we done the 7 account class and the current account class done? Go to test program. Hey, tell your miss. Tell your miss don't know where to start. Okay, then client program also done. Case 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, simple menu one, the withdraw, deposit, check balance, and exit. Case 1, 2, 3, 4, done. Is anyone can on your mic? Your miss always need to see here. Then override the deposit and withdrawal method. Question 2 done. Question 2A done. Do your miss got override the withdrawal and deposit method in the current account? Got. I just need to know where we stop. Got to string method. It's been finished. Have your miss add the to string method already? To account and also current account class. And do I do equal method in the account class also to check the account number? If they are same, then they will be the same. Finish ah? Not yet. Which one not yet? Question 2, which one not yet? A not yet, B or not yet, or C not yet? Oh, not yet. Question 2 not yet. Okay, now you open your napkin. So we just finished, correct or not? Jia say, Kaidi say, oh. Correct, ah? So it means we only finished the client program with simple menu, case 1, 2, 3, 4, but your miss haven't do number 2. Okay, I go take your code first because now I have many versions, many classes. So I need to know your progress. Then only I know which code is belong to you guys. So you open your last week code. Okay, the one. Okay, open that pin. Article 6A. We will continue with question 2. Article 6A. Let me see if this is your code. And this one is 1B. I need to see 1C. Yeah. There. Case 2. This one don't have case 2 and case 4. Case 3 don't have. So for you guys, case 3 already done. This one is it with the case 3. I think it's this one. Okay, your miss will take and put in. Just now I create. It's not here. Hey, I create practical one. Oh, okay, let's create new project. Okay, we are still in practical 6A. Yeah, forget to put into desktop. Doesn't matter. Okay, I put the code in. Okay, let's increase the size. Why cannot click? Can see or not the code? Font size okay? Why I keep on from? Font size okay? Can see my code? Can read Do you need bigger font size? Can. Okay, so we finish 1C, right? With the case 1. Your case 1 is like this. Correct or not? Case 2, case 3. Long one. Is it here? Account tag? Is this your code? Correct or not? Okay, the code. Ayo. Is this your code? Are you using account tag for the saving account or current account that we choose? No one reply. Are you guys there or not? That's why I miss don't like online class. Correct. So we will do question 2 now. So as you see now your 1C is very long. Okay, why? Because you do the checking of the transaction. Okay, transaction count and the number of transaction, and then you charge the fee. You need to charge the fees. Charge the fees. Okay, checking here, then tell the fee is being charged. So by right, this one shouldn't be in the main. Okay, so you have to override. Okay, in the current account class. Okay, why we need to do overwriting? Okay, that is question 2. Question 2. So why we need to do overwriting is because when the methods from your super class, okay, which is the account class, the withdrawal and deposit method is very simple. Okay, which is just open your account class. Okay, you can see your deposit method is just add the amounts to the balance, and your withdrawal method, you just deduct the amounts from the balance. Just check whether balance enough or not. If enough, then can withdraw. Deduct balance. Cannot, then cannot. Okay, but when this method is passed to the current account, okay, it didn't fit. Okay, didn't fit the purpose of the current account. You have your own customized things. Okay, which is your number of free transaction you have to check. Okay, every transactions that you perform, you have to add the transaction count, and then you have to check whether the transaction count is still under this free transaction. If yes, then no transaction fee will be charged. If no, then you have to charge this. Okay, so when the method passed to the subclass is not suitable to use, you can override it. That's what we're going to do now in question 2. Okay, so override. Okay, read the question first. Huh? Okay, override the withdrawal and the deposit methods in the current account class such that the transaction fee is automatically deducted for each transaction once the numbers of free transactions has been existed. Okay, next simplify your client program. So now we will override these two methods. Okay, what I'm going to do? Okay, go to your current account class. Okay, this is your current account class. Okay, make it bigger lah. Huh? Make it bigger a bit. Hmm? Hmm. Okay, so we will override the deposit method first. Okay, so method overwriting, method with the same header. Okay, same signatures, same header. Okay, like this one. Okay, same header. Name same, return type same, parameter same. Okay, what the difference here will be the implementation. Okay, that is called method overwriting. So different from overloading. Remember this. Okay, so we overwrite. So in here, same thing, deposit in the current account. You still have to call your super class for the deposit. Okay, call the deposit method. Okay, deposit method. Okay, call the deposit method from the super class. Okay, then you have to add transaction. Okay, after perform the transaction, have to call this add transaction. Okay, so that it will increase the number of transaction. Okay. The add transaction function. Okay, after this, do the checking. Okay, checking you can take from your client program there. Okay, whether it means this part. Okay, if the current transaction count more than the number of free transaction, then charge, okay, withdraw the charger. Okay, and then from transaction fee from the balance, then if can charge, then bring out. Okay, the balance will be leave outside. Okay, this part you put inside. Then you do the checking here. Okay, no need through the object name. This one can directly use the data here, transaction count. Okay, do the checking here. If transaction count can more than the number of free transaction, okay, if more than the number of free transactions, then you do a Boolean checking. Can charge, then directly withdraw. Okay, through superclass. This one called superclass. Okay, directly withdraw the transaction fees. Okay, withdraw the transaction fees mean the balance. Okay, if can charge, print out the message. More than transaction count. More than. Okay, so if transaction count more than the number of free transaction, okay, then just withdraw the transaction fees from the balance. Okay, so if can charge, just print out the message transaction fees is being charged. Okay, here will be the transaction fees. How much is being charged? Okay, just show the message. Okay, last time your miss got two else. Okay, I got two else here. Okay, if cannot charge, mean you don't have enough money balance to pay the transaction fee. So now you mean assume I don't want to do the else here anymore. Assume the 2 ringgit the transaction fee can enough balance to deduct. Huh? Okay, this one will be the deposit method. Okay, can add the override annotation here if you want. Okay, this one is okay. Sorry. Okay, this one override this one okay is optional one. Okay, it's added by the NetBean. So if you don't have, also doesn't matter. Okay, now we override the withdrawal method. Okay, withdrawal method. Same like the header can take from the account class. Okay, so for withdrawal method, same thing. So you need to call a super class withdrawal first. Okay, boolean and withdraw. Okay, super dot. You can call the withdraw method with the amount. Okay, then same thing, same like the deposit, you also need to add the transaction. Okay, then this part will be same. Okay, do the same thing. Okay, check whether the transaction number is more than the transaction count. If yes, then you print out. Okay, charge withdraw, deduct the transaction fees from the balance, and then print out the fees already charged. Okay, same thing lah. Copy and paste here. Your means organize in one screen so that you guys can see and snap. Okay, at the end, return. Let me forget to put the return. Okay, return can withdraw. Okay, so override. Sorry, I almost don't have mouse. Okay, here you can screenshot. Okay, so override this one is number 2A. Okay, override the deposit and the withdrawal method. Okay, in the current account class. Okay. Done or not? Deposit and withdrawal method. Okay. So now we will simplify. Now the checking is already in the class. So we will go to our client program now. 1C. Okay, so now you can simplify your deposit method. Deposit method already simple. Right. Okay, go to your case 2. Okay, this one add transaction no longer needed. For case 2, case 2 deposit. So current account, so you just call deposit the amount. Okay, the add transaction no need, so delete. Okay, now you go to withdrawal, so we can simplify our withdrawal also. So withdrawal for saving account, nothing changed. This one is for saving account. Okay, so if can withdraw, okay, just print out the balance. I'll just print out field to withdraw. Okay, this one is saving account, no change. So now we will go to current account. Okay, current account can remove all the things. Okay, simplify it just like the saving account only. Okay, add transaction already do inside so no need. Okay, and the checking holdings, no need. So what you do here, the same like the tak payah. Okay, remove all the things. Okay, you only left. Okay, so your current account now same like your saving account. So if can withdraw, okay, if can withdraw, just print out the balance. Else just print out field to withdraw. That's all. Okay, the checking part already done inside the overwriting. Okay, now your case 3 is just like this. Okay, you can try to run. If your miss too fast, you let your miss know. Okay, now simplify already. Your current program is just like this. Okay, let your miss fit all in one screen for case 3. Okay, so yeah, now case 3 is just like this. Simple. Okay, clean. Okay, so account type 1 is saving account. So this is saving account. So this is your current account. You can try to run now. Okay, run your one here. Let you see first. Okay, can try to run and test. Okay, let's say we want to have okay, let's say we want to test the transactions. So now you can go to your current account. Okay, let's change the free free transaction to one only. So you only have one free transaction. So the second transaction will be charged. So you can try to run now. Okay. Okay, run. Okay, let's choose current account. Choose current account. Okay, check deposit first. Okay, deposit got 1,000. Okay, current account number 2,000. Balance 1,000. Okay, let's do deposit. Let's add in some money. Let's say we add in 500. Okay, so updated balance after deposit 1,500. So no charge. Okay, no charge. Then we do number 3. Let's withdraw some money. Let's say withdraw 200. Okay, this one withdraw second transaction charged already lah. So you can see transaction fee IM2 is being charged. So update the balance after withdrawal. So you see deduct two ringgit already. So 1,298 now. Okay. So now exit the form. So we done A. Any question? Can follow? A already done. All right, the withdrawal and deposit method. So now we go to string B. So if your miss too fast, you let your miss know. No need your miss over check. You can feel free to on your mic. Okay, let's see B. Okay, B, write the toString method for the account class such that it return the object data field values. So next, override the toString method in the current account class so that the object transaction count is also returned as part of the string. So modify your test programs from 1B to test the toString method. So now we go account class first to write the toString. Okay, what? Yes, on your mic lah.
So the account type equal 1. Because last time we didn't do the account type equal 1.
Equal 1.
Just now case 3 there.
Oh, that one is not your code. Then can you show me your code?
So we just delete the things then can already. Oh, okay.
Or you want to show me your code first? Let your miss see.
Can also.
Any of you can I stop presenting. Let me know your code because this one I think is just now I asked at the beginning, is this your code? Nobody answer me. I thought that is your code. You should tell earlier. Where?
Can see, miss.
Where? This one?
Yeah.
Where? So small. Macam mana tengok?
Can see.
Where? This one?
Yeah.
Where? Too small, I cannot see.
Wait, I illustrate.
You don't have account type
Yeah, we don't have the account type.
You didn't choose saving or current account Go up.
Just do it for current account.
Then you just do for current account can already lah.
Oh, okay.
Your one I simplify
Yeah.
Okay, other class I got do saving account take so much time and they lost. So just leave it current account can already like this can
Okay.
No need to select account type. Yeah. You miss present already. You can still see my screen Yes Okay, now we just deal with current account enough lah. And that one is other class one. Okay, because that one got select account type. Other class code. That is not your one. Sorry, your mistake the other class code because just now I say I need to know your provider which code you okay. This one but different is just here lah. Okay, select 1, 2.
Please, we cannot see the screen.
Mana? Apa? What happened?
You didn't share your screen.
没有，你去编老师 presentation 那个。
Okay.
Yes, means you share already.
Okay
Yeah, can see.
Okay, so the difference is just this part where you just bring up 1 and 2, select account, then account type. Okay, get from user input. Then every case there, just add the if L. Actually is the repeating if L, but this one just different object lah. One is saving account, one is current account. Same thing one. Okay, check balance. Okay, print out account numbers and the balance. Okay, this might be an account number and the balance. Okay, your miss got 5 classes. Don't know which class, which is your code. Okay, some got more time, then I do saving account and current account. Same one. You can see lah. If else. Okay, if deposit, just do deposit amount. Same one. Okay, print balance. Okay, same for the withdrawal. Okay, write the to-string method for the account class so that it return the object data field value. Okay, data field value. Now only will override in the current account class to include this transaction count. Okay, now go account class account. Okay, so we add in at the end after the withdrawal method, add in the to-string method. Okay, return string. Okay, so what data you want to return here? So in your account class, we only have account numbers and balance. Okay, just return account number and balance enough. Okay, so you can use for balance, can use string dot format lah. And then display the account number, can use /n. Okay, account number is integer. Okay, and then you can have your balance. RM, so decimal point. Put F. Just show your account number and also your okay, so this is the to-string method in the account class. Okay, now we go to current account. We will override this to string method to include the transaction count. Okay, question say. Okay, transaction count. Okay, go to current account class. Okay, so we will override the to string method here. The first thing to do is to call your superclass. Okay, superclass to string first. okay, that print out the name and account number. Then only you plus your own thing. Okay, your own thing here will be your transaction account or transaction numbers also can. Transaction count here, your data. Then this one, all right. The total method for the account class. Okay, because in current account, we override the total because you have your own thing, transaction count that you want to display. Then you need to do overwriting. So we didn't override in the saving account. Okay, saving account, okay, no need to print extra things. Done to string method. So now we will go and modify our client program and also test program to use the toString method. Okay, go and modify the test program. Okay, and also the once that we directly modify the client program. Okay, now we go to your 1C there. toString done. Mana itu message cannot see. Yes, okay. So now go to your client program. Okay, the one that check balance, all this balance, okay, no need already lah. Okay, go to your check balance where you print your, where is my mouse? Okay, we print your saving account, the current balance, all this no need already. Okay, you already put inside the okay, toString method. Just call this one is what? Saving account. Your object got toString. Okay, call toString enough. Okay, case one, check balance. Where you print your account number and balance. Okay, now we just have to call the toString method enough. Okay, so now your case one is just like this. So for you guys, it's only current account, so it's only one line, like this only. Okay, already simplify. So your case one. Okay, so if you go now, if you run now. Okay, 1C. So just use toString. So if saving account, your miss one got if L got saving account, so I just show if you guys only have current account, you just show current account. So when check balance, so now it will bring account number and current balance. Only this one is for saving account. Okay, so if for current account, okay, if it's current account, okay, check balance. So it will have account number, current balance, and transaction count. Okay, one more here, transaction count. Then you go to your test program 1B, the one that we test last time. Okay, the one that you test check balance. that you bring in your account number. So to string, okay, to string method. Okay, the test check balance can call to string enough. Okay, same for the current account. This one test check balance. Okay, so just call current account as to string. Simple. Okay, after override the to string method, so now you can see your client program. Okay, very clean already. Last thing. Okay, so that's why before this everything put outside, so you guys lost. Now everything put inside already. So now your client program will be clean and organized. Okay, so your case one here, just go to string. You miss forget to exit. Okay, so we done the B to string. So now we move to C. Ayuh. What happened to this? Sorry, you miss no mouse. Cannot see the cursor. Okay, so override the equal method in the account class such that it return true. Okay, if the current object has the same account number as the parameter. So test to ensure your method work correctly. So you will say that the two account is equal when they have the same account number. So now we will do this equal method, okay, in our account class. Go to account class. Okay, account class here. Okay, after to string, so we will add the equal method. Override. Okay, so equal method so it will be return boolean We want to check whether they are equal. Equal method. Okay, so parameter will be another account. Okay, another account. Okay, you can use SEC here, or you want to use O also can. Okay, so account. Then you need a boolean to return later, which is equal. Then set to false first. Okay, check. Okay, if your account by same account number. Same with your own account number. Okay, so this one is referred to your own one. You can put this there. If you want to put this there, also can. Okay, this one refer to your own one, and this one is referred to your parameter. So if you think you are confused, you can put this. Okay, it both have the same account number, then you will say they are the same. Okay, they are equal. Okay, set the is equal to, okay, to true. Okay, and return is equal. Okay, so the equal methods, we will overwrite, okay, in both saving account, okay, and the current account class, no. Okay, so if you want to use general, don't use account here lah, can put object. And now override. No. Oh, tak boleh oh. And then we need to override. And now this equal method, so we will override in the saving account class, saving account. Okay, so copy and paste to your saving account. Just change this to saving. Account number has private access in account. Oh. Account number is private, then we cannot do here. Then no need lah. We got get account numbers. Then have to get through. If we didn't override, okay, let's see. We didn't override. Is it working or not? Let's test. Okay, if we didn't override, okay, just put in the account class. Just add the equal method in the account class. Question got mentioned. Okay, return true if the current object has the same account number as well. Okay, so just add to the account class enough. Now we go and test. Done or not this one? Equal method. Okay, now go to the 1B there. Let's test the equal method whether it's working or not. Okay, your test program 1B. Okay, we have one saving account, one current account. Let's create one more saving account. Create one more saving account. Okay, saving account 2. Okay, let's say this one account number same same account number 1000 1000. And then you test. Test equal method. Test equal lah. Okay, so if saving account dot equal saving account 2 and just print out. Okay, system dot out dot print line. Just say that they are same account. And the same account. Okay, else okay, just say the two accounts are not the same. They are not same account. Okay. This mouse sorry. No choice, I cannot use my mouse because where they are not the same account. Okay, so that's the equal method. So now you use same account numbers. So you run should be, they will print up they are same account. You can run your 1B now. This is 1C. Run wrong.